One thing about YouTube and YouTube automation or search-based YouTube automation is that it can take quite a bit of time for you to actually hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours on your channel. But what if you wanted to do YouTube automation and you wanted to do it in a lot quicker time period? Like you can get monetized from the time that you start your channel to like 3 to 4 weeks later, you have monetization on your channel. This is what I'm going to be discussing within this video. So let's just get straight into it. Okay, so I was actually just browsing around on YouTube and I came across this creator right here. His name is RT Creator and he's actually a YouTube automation expert, as you can see, but he does it in a slightly different way. He does YouTube kids automation. So he makes videos which are made for kids. Now, when I first heard about this, I thought that videos made for kids don't make any sort of money whatsoever. The monetization on these channels is dead. But I was actually really surprised when I saw his earnings, and he actually made, within like a year's time, $300,000 with his YouTube kids automation channels. And he actually reveals a couple of them in these videos if you go and watch them. You can go ahead and check out his channel. It's just RT Creator. He has 2 videos talking about this exact method, and it's really interesting stuff. So I thought I'd share with you today. But basically, he creates these channels in the YouTube kids niche. So basically videos made for kids. And one of his channels, okay, so this is a video where he talks about his channels. So you can see some of the results on the channels he gets. So basically he got 20 million views on this one and it made $23,000 in like 11 months, I believe it was. And he hit like $83 days really shortly after he actually created the channel. So that's really good to see. You can browse through here. It's quite a lengthy video, but you can see some more results right over here. 10.4 million views, 6,000. So this is actually getting a ton of views on his channels, because the YouTube Kids platform, the videos made for kids, they get a ton of views right off the bat. YouTube likes to promote these videos straight away because kids like to watch these sort of things and they really click on these videos when you make them for kids. So this is actually one of his channels, this RT Creator. This is actually one of his channels that he reveals in those videos. And you can see here that basically it looks like he's doing these videos over and over again. So you can see like a 30-minute video, and you can see the thumbnails on these videos. It looks like the same thumbnail over and over and over again. So let's just check out one of these videos so you can see for yourself what it takes to actually make these sorts of videos and outsource them if you want to go ahead and outsource them. So I'll click onto this video right here.
Hello friend, let's find Thomas and friends. Let's go. Oh, look at this, it's Thomas.
So as you can see, this is really made for kids type of content. He's actually doing the voiceover on this content. So you can see he just buys these toys from Amazon or something like that. You can spend like $200 on toys and then use those toys within your videos, and you just create these very basic videos made for kids. So basically he takes the toy and then he looks like he puts it in some water or in this bucket of balls. And then he just repeats that process with all the different toys and he puts them into the bucket of toy balls right there. So that's the basic premise of these videos, and they're very kind of the same. So you can use like the same sort of template for each video. So what you can do for the strategy for this is to model these videos and check out what he's doing, and then you can do similar videos. And then what you do is you batch create like 30 or 40 videos. You can outsource the voiceover, or you can record the toys and you can get the voiceover outsourced and stuff like that. And then you just basically upload them over and over again for the next couple of months. So you can spend like 1 or 2 or maybe a week on these videos and then use that content over and over and over again. So that's the strategy behind this sorts of YouTube kids niche. And you can see the views on this. Just 5 hours ago it got 489 views. But if we go back to his videos and we go to most popular, you'll be able to see here 3.1 million views, 2 million views, 1.9 million views. So a ton of views on these actual videos, but that's not the most exciting part. Sure, you can get a lot of views, which is great, and you need that to earn the monetization. and these videos will have like a lower RPM, like closer to a $1 RPM. But the views that you get kind of make up for that. So if you go to the social blade of this channel, you can see that it's got 336 uploads and it has 32 million views. So just a ton of views, getting quite a bit of views per day on one channel. You can create multiple of these channels because it is actually so easy to create here. But if you have a look at this, the monthly gain video views, so basically created the channel here. Don't think he uploaded when he first created the channel. So he basically uploads, and then the same month or the next month he has 290,000 views within these videos. And given the length of these types of videos, that's when he hits the monetization of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours. And this is what he's been able to do 10 times with his different channels. He's got 10 different YouTube channels all doing the same thing. So creates the channel, a month later 290,000 views and monetization, and then the next month following that 4.4 million views. So you can see the views are really explosive. So here's another channel I found doing the same thing. This is a bit of an older channel, 180,000 subscribers, and you can do, if you don't want to like get the toys, you can do this with games and you can showcase the games. So you can basically see here, this is Thomas the Tank, and he's basically playing this in Roblox. And you can play the Thomas and Friends game in Roblox. If you take a look at his popular videos, once again, 6.3 million views, 3.8 million, 3.1, a ton of views on these videos. If you go to the social blade of this one, you can see he's getting 1.6 million views per month, which is really decent. And if we take a look, it's hard to see when he created the channel stats, but in the first month he probably hit like the 200 to 300, 400,000 views, and then he was able to monetize that channel really quickly. Here's another example, really recent channel. You can see just 35 videos, and he already has 1.5 thousand subscribers, so you'll be able to hit that monetization and basically get those ads playing on these videos. And yes, the ads do play on these videos that are made for kids. They just have a lower RPM. If you go ahead and actually watch these videos from RT Creator, he breaks it down for you. There's like 40 minutes of content right there that goes over the strategy. He does have a course which I don't have access to, but it teaches you everything step by step on how to do this. So let's go to this channel and go to the videos. So this is the new channel. Take a look at the popular videos, 112,000, 100,000, 65K. So trying to get these sorts of views on a typical or YouTube automation channel, whether that be a search-based channel or a browse-based channel in the apps niche or the luxury niche, whatever, it's going to be quite difficult to get these sorts of views straight away. So these channels are actually able to do that, which is really interesting. And I thought this was a really interesting strategy. So that's why I'm sharing it with you today. But once again, check this. This is really recent. So he creates the channel. He gets 188,000 views. The following month, 265. So right there, that's monetization enabled for these channels, because you can see that the videos are like quite long usually. This channel uploads like 6 to 8 minute videos. But if you do like a 30-minute video or a 1 hour compilation video, that watch time is really going to add up, and then you'll be able to get monetized in like 2 to 3 weeks, maybe a month after you create your channel. So that's really great. So that's the Kids Create channel. Basically on month 2, already getting 265,000 views a month, which is a lot of views for a brand new channel. If you try to do that with an adult niche channel, it's going to be really, really tough. So basically, if you go onto Amazon, I found these toys. If you type Thomas and Friends, you for $31, you can buy 10 of these toys, and then you can use them in these videos to create these Thomas and Friends types of videos. So I think it's like a really fun strategy. Like it may be quite fun to actually create these videos and then upload them onto a channel and just see what the results will be. So I'm going to be doing more on this as I learn more about the strategy, but I just thought it was really interesting So that's why I would share it with you today. But if you would like to learn more about search-based YouTube automation, not in the kids niche, but in the adult niche, like in the apps niche, in the e-commerce niche, social media niche, then basically I have a free guide for you, which you can get at the first link in the description of this video. Just enter in your email address and I'll send that guide straight to your email address. And if you would like to stay on YouTube and watch more search-based YouTube automation videos, then go ahead and watch this video right here, and I'll see you in that video.